and then we have to find dx by dy at the point indicated against them. So point indicated against this function is x is equal to 1. So after finding dx by dy, we have to substitute the value of x is equal to 1 and find the value of dx by dy at x is equal to 1, which is the point indicated against this function. To solve this, let me show you. Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video, I am going to explain you solution of the question that you can see on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe it. And if you have any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM me on my Instagram. Without any further delay, let's start solving this question. First, I will read this. Find derivative of inverse function of the following at point indicated against them. Now we have been given a function of x. This is y is equal to f of x, and we have been asked to find the derivative of inverse function of the following. So inverse function of y is equal to f of x is equal to f inverse of y, and then we have to find dx by dy at the point indicated against them. So point indicated against this function is x is equal to 1. So after finding dx by dy, we have to substitute the value of x is equal to 1 and find the value of dx by dy at x is equal to 1, which is the point indicated against this function. To solve this, let me show you. First, I will note down the given function, which is y is equal to f of x, which is equal to x raised to 5 plus 2x cube plus 3x. Now, inverse function of y is equal to f of x is x is equal to f inverse of y. Now, this inverse function is in terms of y, so we will differentiate this function with respect to y so that we will get the value of dx by dy. Therefore, differentiate above with respect to y. Then what we will get? Derivative of y with respect to y will be dy by dy. Derivative of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4 plus derivative of 2x cube will be 2 into 3 will give me 6, and 3 minus 1 will give me x raised to 2 plus derivative of 3x will be 3 into derivative of, and this whole term will get multiplied with derivative of x with respect to y. So in this way we differentiate this given function and obtain dx by dy. Now I will simplify this. So this dy and dy will get cancelled and I will be left with 1, and this 5x raised to 4 as it is plus this 6x square as it is, and this 3 into 1 will become 3, and this entire term will be multiplied with dx by dy. On further simplifying, what I will get? Dx by dy is equal to 1 upon 5x raised to 4 plus 6x square plus 3. Now we have to find derivative of inverse function of the following at the value indicated against them. So x is equal to 1 is value of x indicated against the given function. So I will put x is equal to 1 in above equation, and what I will get? Value of dx by dy at x is equal to 1 will be 1 upon 5 1 raised to 4 plus, I will replace all x with 1. So what I will get? 5 1 raised to 4 plus 6 1 raised to 2 plus 3, and on further simplifying I will get dx by dy at x is equal to 1 is this 5 into 1 raised to 4 will become 5, this 6 into 1 raised to 2 will become 6 and this 3 as it is. So what I will get? 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 and 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. So 1 upon 14 is the required answer for this question. I hope you have understood each and every step of this solution. If that is the case, then give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt, share it in the comment box or DM it on my Instagram handle. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.